Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about photosynthesis, respiration, and the carbon cycle. Here's what you'll learn in this video. You'll be learning about the carbon cycle, photosynthesis, and cellular respiration, types of reactions, energy in reactions, and factors that affect reactions. This video is intended for students in 6th and 7th grade science. Carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is when Earth's carbon is constantly moving from the environment or the geosphere to the air. Places that absorb or release carbon. Places that absorb carbon are known as carbon sinks. These include oceans, plants, and soil. Places that release carbon are fossil fuels, cellular respiration, methane, which comes from animals, and clearing forests. Combustion is the rapid chemical combination of a substance with oxygen involving the production of heat and light. So it's like fire, where you get heat and light. Here's an example. Can you identify a carbon sink and one carbon release? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Okay, so here are some carbon sinks. We have the water, we have the ground, and we have the tree. Some carbon releases are from the animal respiration, the plant respiration, and of course the factory, which is burning fossil fuels. Now we'll be talking about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Equations. Here's an example of a photosynthesis equation. On the left side, we have the reactants, which is carbon dioxide and water. The sun acts as a catalyst which transforms the reactants into the product, which includes glucose and oxygen. Next, we have cellular respiration. As you can see from the previous slides, the reactants in the photosynthesis are now the products of cellular respiration. For this, the reactants are sugar and oxygen, and the products include carbon dioxide and water and a new thing called ATP, which is like food for the plants. Types of reactions. First, we have synthesis. Synthesis is when two or more substances react to form a single new substance. For example, in equation form, it looks like A plus B becomes AB. Here are two examples of it. Carbon plus oxygen equals carbon dioxide. Decomposition. From the name, you can assume that it means breaking apart, which is right, because decomposition is when a single compound breaks into a simpler product. It's kind of like the opposite of synthesis. So AB now becomes A plus B. Here are another two examples. Single displacement. Single displacement is when an element replaces a second element in a compound. So these two are like compounded together, but in a single displacement, the X transfers over to the A, making this a singular element. Like this, B plus AX. Here's another example. Double displacement. If you can remember from single displacement how one element is replaced, now it's two. So double displacement is just the exchange of positive ions between two compounds. So AY plus BX now becomes AX plus BY. Here's another example. Combustion. As you remember from the previous vocabulary slide, combustion is when something transforms into like substance that releases heat and light. So it's just when two or more substances react to form a single new substance, which is usually fire. First we have CH plus O2 becomes CO2 plus H2O. Energy in reactions. First we have an endothermic reaction, which takes place when energy is absorbed from surroundings in the form of heat. And then we have exothermic, where energy is released from the system into the surroundings. You can remember by endothermic coming inside of the reaction and exothermic being exited out of the reaction. Factors that affect reactions. First is temperature. As temperature increases, the speed of the particles also increase, which increases the reaction rate. Have you ever tried an experiment and used hot water and cold water and saw that the hot water worked faster in dissolving an item? This is a result of that. Next is surface area. The more surface area you have, the faster the reaction rate. Take a tablet, for example. If you have an Alka-Seltzer and you break it up into smaller pieces, it's going to dissolve faster than the one that's in contact. Agitation is when you stir a mixture and it makes collisions. So like stirring something to make it dissolve faster, like how you would do it with adding sugar to your lemonade. Next is pressure. As pressure rises, space decreases, which means there will be more collisions. Catalyst. Catalyst is just a fancy word for something that speeds up reactions. High concentration means the particles are closer together and also increases the reaction rate. Can you identify which one of these liquids will be the fastest way to make a reaction take place quickly? If you guessed the hot water, then you're correct. The cold one will not increase it, but the hot will, as we learned from the previous slides. Here's a little page about me. Hi, I'm Serena Seif, and in my free time I like playing, making art, and reading. Some other things I like doing is archery and karate. Here are some extra resources to help you learn more about these topics. Thanks for watching.